Hello YouTube. Okay, doing some work on this 2005 Honda Civic. I just replaced the fan. Air conditioning wasn't working properly at idle and the car was starting to overheat. Basically this is the old one here. 10mm bolt here, 10mm bolt here, and this is holding the washer fluid jug on. It's a 10mm bolt. Undo all those, and of course the connector here also. That's the only connector. And then it slides in the little holes at the bottom. I removed the battery and the battery hold down. Okay, so this is 10mm right here, 10mm here, and 10mm here. Get all that out of your way, remove your battery, and then your battery tray are 12mm. There's 4 bolts. There's 2 on the bottom and 2 at the top. The 2 at the top are easy accessible. I used about a 16-inch extension, came in from here with an impact gun and got to the other 2. Once you do that, you just kind of maneuver it around these hoses. You take this out of the way too. Of course, it's already loose. And that's it.